One of the world's most famous art installations is here. It's the fourth plinth at Trafalgar Square. Are you ready? Stick with us. Here we go. This is the fourth plinth at Trafalgar Square, which changes its art exhibition every 2 years, and this has been here since 2020. The piece is called The End and was done by Heather Phillipson. The art exhibition has been done as a response to Trafalgar Square as a site of mass gathering, protest, broadcast, exuberance and unease. Yep, that's the posh bit. Yep, to you and me, it's a cherry on an ice cream with a fly and a drone, but there's a little bit more to it than that. In the drone, there's a live feed from a camera, and it's exactly this position the camera is pointed at, and you can look and see it live on a website, www.theend.today. So this is a live stream that can be seen at any time. So if you're coming up here, make sure other people, or even go on your phone and have a look at the live stream. The great thing about art, it's different to everyone else. Yep, okay, I know, it's an ice cream to me and a cherry on the top. I'm going to leave you with a playlist on the top right hand side, which is unusual things to do and see in London. So if you click on that, I'll see you there.